Hello professionals, this is QS Samuel, your instructor into this course. I hold a master's degree in quantity surveying and real estate finance. I'm a certified quantity surveyor and I'm a certified PLANSWIFT trainer. I have vast experience practicing quantity surveying in the Middle East and in African countries. I'm going to be taking you through this journey of this course, and I'm glad to see you and have you in the course. I've been practicing in complex projects, including but not limited to roads, infrastructure, plants and buildings, which is giving me the confidence that we are going to work together into this journey of this course, and we end up working digital and working smart in all the works that we do as cost manager quantity surveyors. Thank you. I'm happy to see you joining the course.